Whoa, is that all in there, Sid? La 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 la. La 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 la. You good bird. You good boy, Sid. You good boy, mate. Hello, that bird. Hello. Hello, Sid. You know what, mate? That's not a bad job, Sydney. That's not a bad job, mate. Do you want a nut? Come on then. Do you want a nut, eh? Don't you fall in there, mate. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ah, mate, he gets involved in everything. La la la. He's been in the brick oven yesterday. He's in the brewing today. Come on then, I'm coming and I'm doing my best, mate. Woo, woo, woo. You good boy, Sid. Hello, that bird. Hello, mate. Hello, hello. That'll do it. So I'm going to put the lid on, Sid. I'm going to put the lid on, mate. You're going to have to jump off. Come on. I do want a nut. Jump on there. Good boy. You good boy. Hello, that bird.